You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from science, biology. Plants better known as seed plants. This is an old-fashioned term for spermatophyte, which is the more modern word from botany. Phanerogam is how to pronounce it, the English pronunciation, Phanerogam. Some may say it as Phanerogam as well. It's generally Phanerogam, but you can also pronounce it as Phanerogam or Phanerogam. Stress on the first syllable, Phanerogam. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.